Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your love reading ngayong October. Okay, singles and the person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items for protection, okay, sa ating love bracelet and kay granter, and dun sa ating new item for cleansing, message na lang po kayo, okay, sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay. And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And ganun rin pagdating kay Kuya Dingsi, si Kuya Dingsi po is healer, okay, so may re-refer namin yan si Kuya Dingsi, okay. So yeah, message na lang kayo, okay, sa kanya-kanya po naming FB page, okay. So Scorpio, okay, so let's start your reading. So unahin natin yung singles, okay. So the new person, okay, singles, okay. Tingnan natin yung taong nagugustuhan mo, okay, yung taong nagugustuhan ng mga Scorpio. Let's see, Scorpio. So how do you view this person, this new person? How do you view them? How do you view this new person? The Seven of Cups in reversed. May narinig akong word, reserved. Okay, reserve. Okay. What's with this Seven of Cups in reversed? The High Priestess. They're not showy. Okay. Nandun yung may pagka-wallflower, itong taong to. Tingin mo sa kanya. May mga itinatago, may mga something mysterious. Okay? Yeah, they're giving you mysterious vibes. Oh, mga ganyan. Okay? Someone younger, may chance na younger itong taong to. Okay? Like, yeah, they're reserved. Tahimik. Okay? Kung hindi man talaga ganun katahimik, andun lang talaga yung energy na hindi siya pala share, okay? Hindi siya pala share. Parang ganyan. Okay, so you find this person mysterious. Okay? Anyway. So how do this person views you? Scorpio, how do they view you? Scorpio. Okay, the Ace of Swords. You're too open, or maybe you're too transparent, talkative, I don't know, pwedeng maging flip yung energy, okay. What's with that Ace of Swords? What? The Four of Swords. Maraming gustong malaman nitong taong to. Some of you tingin niya sa'yo matalino. Okay? Parang may ganyan. Hang on, sandali lang po. Okay. So, gusto ng taong tong makausap ka, pero some of you, hindi nyo sila kinakausap. I don't know why. That's specific. Okay? If you're interested sa taong to, they're interested rin. Okay? They're curious. Curious sila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands. Secretly, this person is admiring you. Secretly. Okay? And some of them, alam nila na gusto mo siya. Alam nila na gusto mo siya. Okay? So, yeah. Alam niyo yung energy na kaya hindi ka pinapansin nito kasi alam niyang gusto mo siya. Okay? And I think, iba sa inyo, kung may mga friends kayo, kinakausap mo yung friends niya, siya hindi, alam niya na sinasadya mo yon. That's specific. I don't know kung may makaka-resonate doon. Pero yes. Okay? Anyway. So, what is their emotion? Okay, what is their true emotion? The Two of Swords in reverse. Open siya para sa'yo. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Pero they're not showing interest. They're not. Okay? Pero, yeah, they are interested. Okay? Some of them, talagang, yun nga, reserved. Alam mo yung alam nyo yung energy na hindi makabasag pinggan or hindi alam nyo parang energy niya is mahiyain or sabihin natin talagang seryoso lang talaga. Okay? Seryoso. Parang ganun. Anyway. Yeah, they're open. Okay? Pero talagang may chance na hindi ito magpapakita ng appreciation. What is their next action towards you, Scorpio? Okay, the Eight of Wands in reversed. Why? Why the Eight of Wands in reversed? The Page of Cups. What? They will give you hints. They will. Hints. Okay? Mayroong mga ipapakita itong taong to. Okay? Pero yun nga malalabuan ka. Makukonfuse ka. Okay? Itong taong to, magpapakita yan na gusto ka niya, pero hindi yan magiging straightforward. Yeah. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo, nandoon yung energy na maganda ka, gwapo ka. Okay? So, they find you intimidating. Nakaka-intimidate, nakakahiya, or feeling awkward. Okay? Anyway. Okay. Hindi sanay itong taong to na makipag-connect. Actually, hindi sila sanay. Okay? Para silang loner. Some of them, you will hear about this person na pwedeng they're into spiritual. Okay? Spiritual world. Okay? So, not all. Hindi naman lahat, pero may ganun ako nakuwang energy. Okay? So, ano ang advice? Okay. The Moon. Grabe. Ano, itago pa rin? Bakit? Okay, the Three of Pentacles. The Knight of Wands. I think this is getting help from mutual friends. Okay? Kung sa tingin ninyo na gusto nyo yung ganyan na lang, pwede naman. Itatago nyo lang sa isa't isa na gusto nyo yung isa't isa. Okay? This is secrets na lang talaga. Wala akong nakukuha energy rito na pwedeng may mag-approach. Okay? Eventually, siguro, darating sa panahon na talagang may mag-open up dito. Pero, yeah. Someone is making an effort, pero someone is not. Okay? Someone is too guarded or grounded. Okay? Like that. The Nine of Swords, Temperance. Yeah, eventually. eventually, meron ditong hindi makakaya yung ganitong katahimikan. Meron ditong sabihin natin mag-step up. Okay? Meron. Yeah. And I think some of you ang magsusuwalat nito talaga. Yes, is a friend. Hindi ko nakikitang isa sa inyo manggagaling yung pag-approach. Okay? Some of you, a friend. Okay? Sabihin natin a connection outside sa inyong dalawa. Ito yung parang magbabasag ng silence sa inyo. And then eventually, tsaka magkakaroon ng sabihin natin simple communication. Okay? So there, yun ang akin nakukuha. Sana may mga friend kayo. Okay, pero yeah, I don't find na ikaw, Scorpio, or yung person ang mag-approach. Wala eh. Walang mangyayari. Sa totoo lang. Kung hindi pa kayo tutulungan ng iba. Okay? Some of you, ang advice is, magkwento ka sa mga kakilala mo na gusto mo yun or interested ka sa kanya. Alam mo naman, 'di ba? Hindi naman, alam niyo naman na may mga kaibigan tayong talagang pala share. Hayaan nyo na dumating dun sa taong yun. No, yung balita. Parang ganon. Oo, na-transfer yung message. Mga ganyan. Iwasan nyo. Yung totally parang napaka-silent nyo pagdating dyan. Kung gusto nyo ng connection with them. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung dapat ko pa bang ituloy itong new person. Ha? Okay, so let's proceed sa person on your mind, Scorpio. Okay. The person on Scorpio's mind. So, anong meron? Okay, who is this? Let's shuffle. Whew. Okay. Sana walang energy ng third party. Please lang. Okay. Or, I think this is like, unrequited love. Okay. Let's see. Who is this person? Who is the person on your mind? The devil. Pwedeng Capricorn. You find them like physically attractive. This is sexual. Okay, what's with that devil? The Eight of Wands in reversed. Some of you nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito like sex-based. Okay, hindi nagkaroon ng leveling up. Okay, there's no label here. Some of you, there's no label. Okay, nagkaroon kayo ng on and off, or sabihin natin nagkaroon ng sex-based connection. Okay, this is all about sex. Someone is, sabihin natin, napunta na sa obsession. Okay, may ganon. Capricorn and fire. Okay, anong situation ninyo, Scorpio? Anong situation ninyo? The Star in reversed. And the World in reversed. So, wala talagang pangyayari dito na nag-upgrade. Okay, walang nangyaring, this is something like an energy of, sabihin natin, walang pag-asa. Okay, I don't know why. Walang pag-asa. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Wala ditong, hindi ko masabi kung ito ba ay unrequited. Ayoko nun na energy. Okay? Pero wala tayong magagawa. Itong nakuha natin. Sex base. Walang nangyaring leveling up. Okay? No labels. Some of you, meron ditong blocked. May mga naka-blocked. So, someone is obsessing. Okay? So what is their emotion towards you? We have here Aquarius, Leo, another Aqua, Taurus. Okay? So what is their emotion? The true emotion of this person you're thinking of. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, may chance na nakakaramdam ito ng, sabihin natin, a missed opportunity with you. Okay, they're feeling a missed opportunity. Yeah, they want na magkaroon ng family with you or something like magandang connection. Okay? I don't know, ano bang meron sa past? Bakit ba hindi kayo nagkaroon nito ng magandang connection? Anong dahilan? Anong meron sa past? Anong meron sa past? The Eight of Cups. What's with that Eight of Cups? The Nine of Wands in reversed. The Hermit in reverse. So, ito yung parang kulang sa plano. Kulang sa goal. Kulang sa pagiging open sa kanilang intention. Parang, yeah, the word kulang. There's kulang. Oo, may kulang sa past. Okay? I don't know. Meron din ditong napagod. Meron din ditong parang energy na lagi na lang iniiwan. Okay, nakita natin si Ace of Wands kanina na naka-reverse. So, that is on and off. May chance na nagkaroon ng on and off kayo sa past. And nandun yung parang nagsawa na. Eventually, maybe nagkaroon ulit ng reconnection. Okay? And then, nung nagkaroon ng reconnection, hindi na nagkaroon ng label. So, it's like nagkaroon na lang kayo ng energy na sabihin natin sex base or yeah. Ayaw ng taong tong magkaroon kayo ng missed opportunity. Pero sa ngayon, if you're in a separation because the world is here, yeah, there's that unfinished business pa rin. Something like hindi ma-healed. Okay? So, yeah, this person is so sad. They're obsessing over you. They are obsessing over you. Okay? Hindi nila kaya na wala ka. Sa totoo lang. Kahit sabihin nating kahit wala kayong label, tatanggapin ka nito eh. Ayaw lang talaga nito na wala ka. Okay? Parang ang dilim ng mundo nito kapag wala ka. Okay? What? What is their next action? What is their next action towards you, Scorpio? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, and the Queen of Swords in reversed. Juggling. Afraid na talagang i-level up yung connection ninyo. Okay? Parang nasanay na lang din kasi ng ganito. It's like, ay, okay lang kahit wala kaming label. Basta nandito siya. Something like that. Some of you, meron ditong family. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng may mga third party issue dito. Okay? So, palawakin natin yung pangunawa natin about third party. Okay? So, si third party for me, energy yun ng, energy siya na pwedeng nakakapigil sa inyong dalawa na magkaroon ng magandang union. Okay? So, yun po, ha? So, kung ibang tao man to, sasabihin ko naman yan. Pero, I think this is too, sabihin nating malawak. Okay? Kaya hindi niya magawa na, or sabihin natin, kaya may miss opportunity. Nakakaramdam siya ng panghihinayang whatsoever. Okay? So, afraid tong taong to na talagang magkaroon ng, I don't know, like, mag-umpisa muli, or hahayaan na lang nito. Kung may mali man, hahayaan na lang. Oh my God. See, the Two of Pentacles again, the Ace of Swords. Communication. Masaya na siya doon sa communication actually. kahit hindi maging consistent, or sabihin natin kahit hindi magkaroon ng leveling up, basta may connection or communication kayo ng taong to, okay na yun sa kanya. Okay? So, let's see, ano ba ang outcome / advice for you, Scorpio? And the Wheel of Fortune changes, I think. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Alisin na yung kung ano man yung mga parang kinakatakutan, mga desisyon na kailangan pagdesisyonan. Okay? Stepping up. Kung ano man ang kailangan dito. Nakakaawa yung energy actually. Nakakalungkot. Okay? Nakakalungkot. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Talagang nakakalungkot. Ito yung pinakamasaya na card, pero nakabaliktad siya. Nakakalumbay naman talaga eh. O, diba? Pati yung barahan natin. Nalulungkot. Oo. Okay? Nakakaramdam ako sa taong to na talagang kailangan ka niya. Tatanggapin ka nito kung ano man ang pwede mong i-offer sa kanya. Tatanggapin at tatanggapin niya. They're in a lower vibration. They are. They are not healed. Okay? They're afraid na iwan. Okay? So, it's like they're always depending on you. Kung ano magiging decision mo for them, no? Okay, so nakakaawa yung energy actually. Yeah. Pwedeng maging flip, okay? Pwedeng flip yung energy or yung reading kung alam mong sa'yo niya to ginagawa. Okay? So, wag natin hahayaan na parang kung ano sa tingin ninyo yung kailangan na mangyari dito sa situation. Okay, wag niyo hahayaan na mapangunahan kayo ng kaba, ng takot. Okay? Mga what ifs. Yeah, being the Emperor in reverse, ito yung energy na parang anong gagawin ko? Ipinapakita na ni universe kung ano mga kailangan mong gawin. Pero, yeah, napapangunahan pa rin ng takot, ng kaba. Okay? Kailangan mo nang gumawa ng desisyon pero hindi ka nagawa. Like that. See, the Page of Cups. The Four of Wands in reversed. The Six of Cups. Ito siguro yung parang ayaw maalis. The memories. Okay? I think this is a strong connection. This is a strong connection. Maybe mali lang ang sitwasyon, mali lang ang oras. Okay, maling, sabihin natin, hindi ko naman masabing maling tao. Okay, kasi wala namang mali pagdating sa tao, for me. Okay, lahat naman ng nakaka-connect natin may mga dalang aral. Okay, so kailangan mo talagang makakonect yan for you to grow, I think. Okay, so yeah, ang nakakaawa rito itong taong to, sa totoo lang. Okay, they need you. Okay, some of you iniwan mo to dahil pagod ka na. Okay? Sa totoo lang, sila yung kawawa dito. Hindi ikaw. Kung iniisip mo sa sarili mo na ikaw is kawawa dahil ganito siya, nilalaro ka lang niya, whatsoever, mas kawawa to. Kung nakikita mo lang. Kung alam mo lang. Mas kawawa siya. Okay? Ikaw, maybe nakakaya mo na wala ito sa'yo, na wala siya sa'yo, pero siya, hindi niya kaya. Okay? Hindi niya kaya. Kahit wala itong sinasabi, kahit hindi yan nagre-reach out. Kawawang kawawa ang energy ng taong to. Sila yung taong dumidepende sa mga taong palagi na lang silang i-accept sa kung ano man ang meron sa kanila. So, they need to grow. Okay? So, I think, kaya kayo nagkita nito, it's up to them. Okay? Kung may mga matututo ba, or may mga matututunan ba sila, bukas ba yung mata nila, pagdating sa sitwasyon. I think this is karmic. Okay? I think this is karmic. Big karmic connection. Yeah. Kaya ganito. Okay? Sabihin natin, nag-connect lang kayo ng taong to para mag-grow ka, ganun rin siya. Pero kung hindi nyo titingnan kung ano ba yung lesson ay binigay ni universe, well, mag-stay kayo sa, sabihin nating, lower vibration. Okay? Kasi tinutulungan na rin naman tayo ni universe kung ano mga kailangan natin gawin para maging strong. Tinutulungan na ni universe na makita, pero nandun pa rin like pikit mata. Ayaw natin tingnan kung ano yung totoo. Okay, so this is too deep. Anyway, okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.